why, if it's such a massive issue, transferring all of this wealth, why is nobody planning?
Because it's hard. Because it deals with, what do I want to have happen when I'm no longer around? What do I want to have happen in 40 years? I have a son who's going into high school. I don't know what he's going to be in the next 10 years. I have a fairly good idea. I've known the kid for a while, but I don't know what the next 10 years are going to look like in his life. And so to say to me, all right, I need you to put in place a plan that's an irrevocable plan and make gifts and give up your assets so that your kid, when he's 55, can inherit efficiently, that feels overwhelming. And I think too often we make it that hard and overwhelming. Instead of saying to clients, let's just do this one bite at a time, and let's figure out a plan that will work for you for the next 5 years, but also sets you up so that it's easier to plan the 5 years after that, and then the 5 years after that, so that it feels like these steps that make sense and are sequential. And really, we know that we're actually getting them to do that 30-year plan that they have to do, but in a smaller way.